Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. How to change country or region on iPhone. If you have ever needed to change your country or region on your iPhone, whether it's for app availability, pricing, or just because you have moved, well, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how you can change your region or country on iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, head to the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on General. In the General section, look for Language and Region option and simply tap on it. Under this section, select the country you are moving to. And here tap on the first option and follow the prompts to adjust any related settings such as the keyboard. And once you have updated this, your iPhone will align with the country regional preferences. Now to update your App Store country or region, open the App Store and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on your name at the top to access the account setting. And once you are in the account setting section, simply scroll down and tap on country and region. Now choose the country you want to switch to. And once you have selected the country, simply follow the prompted instruction to complete the process. And by doing this, you will be able to update your App Store country or region. And if the above steps don't work, you can also update your region online. To do that, you simply need to visit account.apple.com on your browser and sign in with your Apple ID. And once you have signed in, simply click on your profile in the top right corner and select the personal information. Once you have logged in, simply tap on the arrow down button at the top right corner. And from there, simply tap on personal information. And once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on country and region. And you can simply update it here. Keep in mind that subscription must still be cancelled before making this change. And when switching to different country or region, you will need a payment method with a billing address in that country. For example, a US credit card won't work on App Store that is set to the United Kingdom. Make sure to set up a local debit or credit card for app purchases and subscription. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.